Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about 100 or 131 palindrome partition. Am I pronounced right? Let me check. Palindrome. Okay, the question is given the string S and the partitions as such that every substring of the partition is a palindrome. Return all the possible palindrome partition of S. So the input S is A, B, and this is their result. Every single subreal you can see A is the palindrome, this one palindrome, this one palindrome, and A also palindrome. The single character is also palindrome. So what is palindrome? The palindrome is the string that reads the same forward and backwards. Okay, so this one we need to add a condition to check the palindrome here. Okay, how could we solve this problem? Because you have to check every thing, right? Possible every possible result, you have to add it in the total result. We have the sub result, and this is the result. So which means it's use the backtracking to solve this problem. So the graph I draw this like this one. So if we have the AAB, right? So you can see we can for this one we can pick up the single one, start from the first index A here, and also we can have like substring AA to here and B for the two 0, 1, 2, right? The whole whole substring. So there are three options. And we can add some conditions like for here to check this one is not palindrome. So which means we don't need to go to the next level and we can return back. And for here we have the condition, okay, it passed. So which means we need keep going down. So it will go to the next level for here to check for here. Like AAB. Okay, so for this one is AA and B is also palindrome. So we keep going to this one. Okay, so which means well, we also have like a condition when we stop. The stop condition is we have like the index, right? Kind of like where I start for current level. This one is same as the S string, which means no character anymore. So which means I can put some results in our total result and then return back. So the whole idea is like this. So you can see we can have two results here. And other not satisfy the palindrome, it will go back. So how could we solve this problem? Let's write the code to do this. Okay. You can see here, right? And also I needed the sub result. And then we'll reset, start from 0. For the first level, you can see here is means it will have the branch means for loop, right? So when we doing the backtracking, we have the for loop stuff from here, here, here. But this is our start, kind of like which means I just pick up the one character, pick up two character, pick up three character. So for this one. And for this level, you can see we already pick up the first, this one, right? Which means we already have something in the subtrail and keep pick up one or pick up two. Start. Okay, check. is Palindrome. Okay, so first thing is when stop. So let's say if the start is equal to the S current, right? Which means we do not have anything. We start from zero. We can choose something. And if start from two, we actually nothing can pick up. So stop result. Okay, so this is the thing and the return, right? And then for here, we need to check if start for here, we actually, you can see start from zero, but current length actually is 3. So which means 0 and smaller than 3, we can pick up 0, 1, 2. And then we have to check is palindrome here. If is current S, and when we restart, and plus will we, and for here, yeah, we can do it. This include, so right left is smaller than right, doesn't equal to the, can directly return false. If not, we should left plus plus, right minus minus. So if didn't return false here, which means everything is same, then we can return true. So if here we calculate for here, right, is palindrome, we can go to the next level. Separate out. Yeah, this one is and plus plus. Okay. substring. Oh, okay. I think the and for the time complex, we can base on this tree. So and branch, how many branches? The worst case will be the O1. That will be and for the space is unlevel. Whether it's the and okay, this one is much better for dynamic programming. Okay, this one is calculated, but I didn't calculate this. If you want to calculate this one every time, you also need to do that. Yeah, you said it means the square. If you calculate this one, the worst case I would say that's time, but you also can treat it where you can see the first branch actually we had 3 branch, and for the next level, it were much smaller. So it was much smaller than its numbers. Yeah. Thank you.